Okay, YouTubers, whoa, go behind. Been a while. Here we are. We're in September. I believe it's the 2nd, the 3rd. I can't exactly tell you. It's gotta be the 3rd. It's a Thursday. But anyway, look what I broke out. Yep, I got the old Farmall 806 out. I know a lot of you like to hear her and run. But I have paired it up with yet another John Deere mowing device. Now this is my John Deere I bought years ago. It's a model 407. Probably butcher this, but Gyramor, for lack of a better pronunciation. I've had it for several years, and if those of you that have watched it, been on the channel long enough, you probably remember I was talking about this PTO slip clutch had gotten broken, busted, and I was trying to I found a used one to put on there. Thought I'd rebuild it. Well, that nut, it's a little funky, but I decided heck with it. Let's just put it on and see if it even works. So I know you probably would rather watch me do the work and the labor and hear the cuss and the fuss and all that, but it's on there, it works. Had to put some lube in the gearbox. The PTO shaft has a slight barber pole twist in it, but that's because, truthfully, that's because that clutch did not slip like it's supposed to when the sniper, tree stump, or whatever had been hit by us and others. Didn't break loose. But anyway, what I'm doing today, this afternoon, I got this wild hair up my butt. This ain't gonna come back quick enough so I can bale it and do anything for a 3rd cut. But yet, you know, it wasn't gonna be anything worth doing. But look how nice this mower mows, though. I think mows almost as good as a lawnmower. Anyway, what I'm doing, and you're all probably gonna scratch your head and go, "What the hell?" Or WTF, all caps and all that crap. But anyway, what I'm doing is I got a nice crop of this dang millet that just, you guys have heard me whine and complain enough about it. But like I said, I was on the fence of working this back up and reseeding it. I think I'm gonna hold off on it. But there is a good stand of grass in here. Just gotta get it ahead of this damn millet shit, foxtail shit. So what I'm trying to do in my screwball method of things, I'm gonna mow this stuff off where it develops a good seed head on it, and hopefully that'll help stunt it enough to where the alfalfa and the clover and the rye grasses and stuff that's in there that I want will get up ahead of it on first cut come next season. If not, well, once again, one of my experiments have gone awry. But so anyway, that's what I'm doing today. Plus I've got some other grass crap in here I don't really want, but yeah, just trying to nip that stuff off, get it to where I can hopefully have something manageable come first cut next hay season. Took that 40 bale to the local sale barn a couple weeks ago, and the place was just loaded up with hay. People getting rid of hay. So sadly, my hay did not bring what I wanted, but it's one of those deals where I'm looking at like, okay, I could either have the labor putting it up in the barn, try to sell the barn, nobody want it because I have all this crap in it that I don't like, and a lot of waterway grass type, you know, drowned out grass stuff in it, or I just take it over and get rid of it, which that's what I'd done. I kept what I liked, sold what I didn't, took the hit, didn't sell what I wanted, but it's out of my hair. Like I've told the gal that's bought the hay off of me before for her horse, once the hay gets on your truck and trailer and it's off my property, I don't care what you do with it. Hopefully I ain't shouting the thing. Hopefully it ain't too windy either. But yeah, and as you can tell, I haven't gone further on the landscape projects either. It's been kind of at a halt. But the wife has another landscape project. This is for you, Grumpy Farmer. Landscape project. My wife has another project. She just has so many damn projects. And like I keep saying, said a few times, she thinks just because I have a day off, we need to do things together. So anyway, say hi to the pups. She got about, I don't know, 75 or 80 of these 14 by 14 patio pavers off of her sister. We took my trailer over and picked them up, brought them home. Heavy load. But she wants to put them here out in front of her overhead door to her little wood shop. So it means I got to come in here and do some grade work. She cleaned all the grass stuff out of it, but she wants to do some grade work. Loosen this rock up and stuff so this stuff will set into place. Her method, not mine. Her method. So anyway, Grumpy, there's your landscape project to try to hide from your wife. I'm just shitting you, bud. And yeah, my mowers, my disc mower for the hay, the mower brush rough cut mower, Deere's, they both do good. They make, whoever they're making their mowers are doing good for over the years. But this, there again, back to this 407 Gyramor. Good grief, I don't know how old this thing is. It's got to be late 60s. I'll just say 60s era. I think it's a precursor to the 709. It is a 7-foot wide cut. I was able to put new blades and pins on it when I first got it, and all that. So anyway, oh my gosh, I've killed almost several minutes. Give me a little bit, maybe I'll finagle something out of this, or just make you one long boring video and you can go stop, whatever. Anyway, hang on throughout the video. Thank you, appreciate it. By the way, I have noticed a few more of you have subscribed. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button, and I hope to entertain you guys some way or another, a little bit at a time. Like I said, my hobby farm stuff's been done for years, so it's just going to be the rare occasion to break the 8 out with some sort of mower on it and go from there. But anyway, I'll stop here. I may try to get you some footage of it going out in the field. If not, well, sorry, or not. Anyway, as always, please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. As always, stay safe. Alright, YouTubers, here's your ride-along portion. I'm not beating it across the field. I'm just running forward, third, low range. Well, just got her cutting along. Not quite 3/4 throttle, but you don't need, you know, like I said, my PTO tap don't quite work with that. That's about where I need to be to get a good run. So yeah, we'll just cut this up, make it look like a yard for the week, and go from there. Gets his back straightened out. Kind of feel a little sorry for him. I know I shouldn't, but I do. Ed Goslin Farms, Ed Goslin, hope you get better soon. A lot of Farmer Pete here lately too. He's got some nice international Farmall and AC equipment. Excuse the wind. Another pretty nice guy to watch. Of course, been watching Shane Holst a lot. Watch him run that chopper he's got. Heck of an outfit there, Shane. And of course, been watching a lot of Rick Ford. Watching his live streams, chiming in on them every now and again. Then chimed in on Gerald Farms. On his live stream, and been watching him work with friends of his, running their equipment, baling hay and stuff. Really, really nice guy. A lot of nice people out here on YouTube. I really enjoyed watching her videos. Anyway, and then of course there's Walsh Farms. I just started watching him recently. Him and his wife, they're just all over the place in their videos. Seen everything from the raised gardens, beds in the yard. I think he's even doing a meatloaf challenge. He's even trying to feed the soul a little bit with all this madness going on. I do appreciate that. And then, oh heck, we're making this into a ride-along shout-out. But been a lot of good videos here like I've been watching. A lot of good YouTubers. Of course, can't leave out Harmless Farmer, Andy Detweiler. Watch that man work, get amazed. Tell you the truth, I think he could work me in the ground, but anybody could do that anymore. Who else? Of course, can't leave out Rocky Mountain's Roadhouse or Nick and Antoine up there at South Saskatchewan Farmer, South Saskatchewan Farmer, or Straight Pipe Acres, can't leave him out. And of course, Aaron over there at Prairie, dang it, Aaron, I'm sorry, I'm spacing on the name. Prairie Sunset Ranch, there you go. Lots of good YouTubers to watch. But anyway, hey, this is probably long enough for the video. You probably saw the hood more than you saw the ground. So I'm gonna get off here. Hey, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I do appreciate y'all. Oh, don't forget Andy and Matt, American Tradesman. Another good pair of guys to watch do some work. But yeah, I'm gonna get off here. So y'all take care, have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.